Hey guys, welcome back to another quick tutorial video of Tech It Simple. In this video, I am going to show you how you can set an email as important in Gmail. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Firstly, you have to open your Gmail application. In order to set the email as important, after coming to the Gmail application, you just simply have to select any of the email that you want to set as important. To do that, simply click on the email for a short moment and then the email will be selected. Then, click on the three dots in the top right corner. From there, you can see the Mark as Important option. Here, simply click into that and your email will be marked as important. You can access important emails by going into here. As you can see here, my email is successfully marked as important. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel to never miss another future update from the channel. Thank you for watching the video.